everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm very excited to share this delicious chicken pulao recipe. Let me tell you, it is super simple and you can just make it in about 30 minutes. It's a one pot chicken pulao. Let's get started and check it out. Comment below, is it pulao or biryani? Don't fight, just choose. For the chicken pulao, I've taken 500 grams of chicken with bone. First, we need to marinate the chicken pieces, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh curd that's been whisked nicely. Mix everything together along with the chicken. Make sure all the chicken pieces are nicely coated with this beautiful marinade. Let this sit for about 15 minutes. So we're going to make this pulao in the pressure cooker. To the cooker, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Next to this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. So first, we're going to add all the whole spices. So I have all the whole spices here: cinnamon, clove, cardamom, star anise, mace, stone flower, and bay leaf. Next, add 3 large onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions for 2 minutes, then add 6 green chillies slit. So you can see the green chillies are a bit small, so I've added 6, but you can adjust the spice according to your taste. Continue to saute. Next, add 2 teaspoons of freshly ground ginger garlic paste and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Gently drop in the marinated chicken pieces and mix everything well along with the onions and green chilies. This is a very simple chicken pulao that you can make in just about 30 minutes. Cook the chicken for about 10 minutes. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and gently mix that in. It's going to add a nice flavor to the pulao. See how the masala is coming together very nicely. Next, add 1 cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves. I'm also adding a handful of fresh mint leaves. It's going to add a nice flavor to the pulao. Gently mix that in. For this recipe, I've taken 250 grams of Basmati rice, washed it a few times and soaked it for about 30 minutes. Gently drop in the soaked Basmati rice. Very carefully just mix the rice along with the chicken pieces. Now I'm adding 250 ml of water. So the ratio of rice to water is 1:1. So I checked for seasoning and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt after adding the water and rice. Since we've already added some salt to the chicken marinade, I'm adding the salt in the end. Close the pressure cooker, maintain the flame on a low. Place the weight and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove. Leave the cooker in dum for about 10 minutes. Once the pressure has settled down, open the cooker. Wow, just look at that beautiful chicken pulao. It's cooked to perfection and you can see the rice is so fluffy and it looks amazing. It smells absolutely divine. This is an absolutely great dish for all the chicken lovers. You can enjoy this on a weekend or on any special occasions. Make sure to just follow all the instructions correctly and you will rock this recipe. I'm serving this chicken pulao with some delicious and spicy brinjal masala as well as some nice fresh onion raita by the side. This chicken pulao smells divine. I'm just going to dig in without waiting. You can see me enjoying because I have nothing to say. I'm just enjoying. I'm in bliss right now. It's just so tasty. When it comes to pulao or biryani, especially non-veg, we tend to eat quite a bit. Comment and let me know if one plate is never enough. Well, I absolutely enjoyed that chicken pulao. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. Do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.